3 things that are keeping you from being a breakthrough investor. First one, lack of vision. Lack of vision of where you can go in life, in investing, in personal relationships. I love going and talking to every single person, as many people I can, and even just hearing conversations while we're walking through Rubicon Central and hearing people not even just talking about real estate, talking about life, talking about what they do for fun, and then people having struggles outside of real estate and life, because that's what we're here for. We're here for each other as a person. If you think, what can I gain out of that person? This conversation, let me see what I can get out of this person. You start talking about yourself, I kid you not, the conversation is going to go south very fast. Instead, how much better would it be to ask questions about the other person? It is so much better to ask about that person so you can know about them. And then if you're getting asked that question, you're in a conversation with somebody, then reciprocate, ask questions back. Then you have a mutual understanding of each other so that in the end, you guys know each other better. And then you can connect as a deeper level. With that, vision of where you can go. I had no idea in 2006 when I got married, when I first started investing, that I'd be standing here today having every single one of you here at Rubicon. I had no idea I'd have my own real estate. I had no idea that I would have a goal in life to help 1 million people to invest in real estate. I had no idea that I had no clue. But what I did was I went to a conference and I met people who spent their hard-earned money and time and effort to come to a place that other people are doing the same. It's not just people kicking tires, saying, let me just check it out. No. These are people that are so serious about what they want in life that they are absolutely here, and you're gonna meet those same people. These people are gonna help you have a vision. When I met people at my first conference, I thought there's other things possible out there that I didn't even think about. Whatever vision you have for your life, expand that vision. Next one, lack of knowledge. Lack of knowledge. You might be great at where you invest now, but there are so many other great ways to invest as well, and possibly even better ways at what you're currently doing if you're currently investing. I've been investing, a long time. And with that, I love learning better ways to invest. It is amazing getting around other people because more than likely, they've already done it and they're gonna point you in the right direction or connect you to the right people. So lack of knowledge is gonna keep you from breaking through. Now, another one, lack of support. Lack of support is keeping you from being a breakthrough investor because you don't have the community around you. You don't have the right people that are picking you up because it's gonna get hard. There's gonna be times where it's gonna get tough. Problems are gonna happen. In fact, I have all my coaching students, we're in a Slack group and we're also get together on Zoom. And there are problems that come up. The greatest thing that I hear is when other students answer questions for each other without even me answering because they've experienced something or they've heard me say something, but they're all helping each other out. And then you have obviously the people who've done it before that are gonna be there to step up.